Hey, my name is Sam and I'm here at Kendall Chevy, and today we're looking at the 2026 Chevy Blazer all-wheel drive SS. So it's our SS version, which is the Super Sport, and you don't see that a whole lot, and that's the premium performance upgrades. It's an electric vehicle and it gets over 300 miles on a single charge. This thing's got a ton of horsepower, over 600, and it's all-wheel drive. It's got assisted trunk opening, and you got plenty of space there. Underneath, we have spare area for parts and accessories. We're inside now. We've got the orange seat belts that come with the SS trim. Also, heated seats, ventilated seats, heated rear seats, wireless charging available at your fingertips, and it's got a storage compartment right here for any of your valuables. You have several different options for your gauge cluster, so as you can see, just by a tap of a button, you can go through all the necessary information you might need for on the road. I'm a pretty big guy and I fit great in this vehicle. I have plenty of visibility, I don't have any concerns, feels great. For more information, feel free to subscribe or come down to our showroom floor on Goodpasture Island Road, or check out our website at Kendall Chevrolet GMC Eugene.com. Kendall, let's start something great.